Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to start next lesson of textbook of English class 7. Open your books at page 34. We are going to start lesson 4. The title is Friendship Never Dies. I am going to read the text first. Many years ago there lived two fast friends, Ahmed and Ali, in a town known as Khairpur. They were known for their true friendship. They were prudent. Prudent means sensible traders too. They had a trading unit, Ahmed and Ali Cotton Trading Unit, where cotton was refined, weaved and delivered to textile mills at big cities. They were making progress by leaps and bounds. They were acknowledged in the textile industry as honest traders. They got new contracts with improved profits. Once Ahmed went to another town for collection of cotton globules. Globules means balls, cotton balls. In his absence, Ali worked day and night to meet the requirements of their new contract. One night, he felt tired and went to sleep. He couldn't monitor the spinning. Spinning means twisting process of cotton. Unfortunately, the workers weaved some unrefined cotton, which was also passed over during packing of cotton bundles. Those unrefined bundles were transported to textile mills undetected. As a result, they were banned by the textile mills, and Ahmed and Ali Cotton Trading Unit bumped into huge loss. That ban also spoiled the good image of their unit in the textile industry. Well, students, the lesson is actually about the friendship of two friends, Ahmed and Ali. They were running a trading unit where cotton was refined and delivered to textile mills. Due to the negligence of Ali, workers weaved some unrefined cotton. These unrefined bundles were transported to mills, and their trading unit was banned. This spoiled their good image in textile industry. Now come to the text again. The relations between the two friends became bitter. Ali became awfully annoyed with Ahmed. Their competitors took advantage of their bad relations and started taking over their business agreements. Ahmed accused Ali of his meanness and negligence. Negligence means carelessness. On the other hand, Ali was quite disappointed with his friend. He tried to resolve the conflict. Conflict is a kind of disagreement, but Ahmed refused to listen to his apologies. Apologies are the confessions of doing something wrong. Ali was more upset for his friend than for business. He went to the Riverside Daily. There he wrote, "My dear friend, you hurt me a lot." A few months later, Ali had to go to some far-off town to meet his old, sick relative. In his absence, his son Zain met a severe accident while going to his school. He was terribly injured and suffered head injuries too. His mother took him to the hospital in the town, but they refused to handle his case due to the insufficient surgical facilities. Insufficient means when something is inadequate or not enough. Meanwhile, the news reached Ahmed. He rushed to Ali's family immediately, who were on their way to the big hospital in the city. Zain was in the critical condition and was sent to the operation theatre for surgery. During the whole medical treatment, Ahmed stood by them firmly. He helped them, consoled them, and even donated his blood to Zain. Due to his care and affection, Zain started recovering quickly. Well, in these lines we have came across that Ahmed accused Ali of negligence. He tried to resolve conflict with Ahmed, but all in vain. Few months later, in the absence of Ali, his son met an accident and got severe injuries. When Ahmed heard the news, he rushed to help the family. During his operation in the whole treatment, Ahmed stood firmly with Ali's family. Now again come to the text. On his return, Ali came to know about the incident. He rushed to the hospital. He found his son recovering fast. He was also delighted. Delighted means happy to know that it was due to his friend Ahmed, who helped his family throughout the difficulty. He had no words to express gratitude. Gratitude means feeling of thankfulness for his friend. He was thankful to Allah Almighty for a new life of his son and for the true friendship of Ahmed. He truly felt proud of his friend. he engraved an inscription. Inscription is to write something, and engraving is to carve something, some name or some word. He engraved an inscription, "Friendship never dies." He fixed that stone at the cotton unit that reminded people of their great friendship for a long time. Well, in these lines, we have learned that when Ali returned back, he came to know that his son was recovering due to the efforts of Ahmed. He was delighted and felt proud of his friend. He carved on a stone that a friendship never dies and fixed that stone at the cotton unit, which were run by both of them. Well, lesson is done. Now come to next page. We have got question and answers. First one is, for which quality were Ahmed and Ali known? Come to very first page here. From very first line, it is answer of the first question. From many years ago up till second line, known for their true friendship. It is answer of question 1. Come to second question. What was their image in the textile industry? Again come to first paragraph here. It is the answer of second question. They were acknowledged in the textile industry as honest traders. They got new contracts with improved profits. Question 3. What happened due to the negligence of Ali? Okay. Again come to the top of this page 35. It is the answer of question 3 from the very first line. Unfortunately, the workers weaved some unrefined cotton up till the third line. That bundles were transported to textile mills undetected. It is the answer of question 3. Then come to question number 4. It is, which situation raised tension in the relationship of Ahmed and Ali? Again, from the very first line, unfortunately the workers, it is also the answer of question 4. From unfortunately, you have to write down up till unit in the textile industry. It is the answer of question number 4. Question 5. How did Ahmed take care of Zain? Come to the middle of the page 35. Here, it is the answer of question 5. You have to insert here one word, when. News reached Ahmed. He rushed to Ali's family. Up till here, Ahmed stood by them firmly. It is the answer of question number 5. Question 6. How did Ahmed reconcile his relationship with Ali? Come to here. It is the answer of question 6. During the whole medical treatment, Ahmed stood by them firmly. He helped them, consoled them, and even donated his blood to Zain. Due to his care and affection, Zain started recovering quickly. And then you have to insert one sentence more. In this way, Ahmed reconciled his relationship with Ali. It is the answer to question number 6. Come to question 7. At the bottom here. It is answer of question number 7. You have to insert Ali instead of he. You have to use word Ali. And it is answer, Ali was thankful to Allah Almighty, and you have to write the answer up till the last word of the lesson for a long time. It is answer of question 7. So question answers are done. And B part, you have to make the sentences of these phrases. You have to do it on your copies by yourself. You have to fill in the blanks. I'm going to read it for you. Ahmed went to another town for a collection of cotton globules. Those unrefined bundles were transported to textile mills undetected. Ali became awfully annoyed with Ahmed. Due to his care and affection, Zain started recovering quickly. Friendship never dies. So class, lesson is done. Thank you so much.